If you don't have access to the network connection, the printer appears in error status, or it's busy already performing another 3D printing job, or if you need to work on a project which requires a different type of resin from the one installed, you can exploit the offline mode. Open the EVESOFT software and select the offline mode by clicking the button at the bottom right of the window. Import the project by clicking the plus button at the bottom left of the screen. You can take advantage of one of the click and make design functions: fast, eco, standard, and high quality. Alternatively, you can decide to manually define the print settings by switching on Advanced Settings. From the drop-down menu, it is possible to assign any type of resin to the project. Once the print has been launched, if there is any inconsistency between the selected resin and the one present in the cartridge installed, a resin mismatch error will appear. To solve it, change the type of resin assigned to the project or replace the cartridge installed in accordance with the type of resin previously assigned to the project.